So hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm at coaching center. So today I'm going to explain your BCom third chapter, that is the BCom Business Organization and Management third chapter, that is Nature and Process of Organization. Nature and Process of Organizing. So principles of organizing. So let us know about the principles of organizing first. Principles of So the first principle for organizing is unity of direction. So all should be working together and they should be going in a very correct direction where the company may have the good growth. And the second one is unity of command. So they should be given a unity, they should be given a correct command. And next is the authority. So authority, every individual is an organization has more responsibility which are can be discharged properly. They have very much authority. And span of control, so they should be having control over their company. In their company they should be having the control. And next is the flexibility, means whatever the work they give they can do with the flexibility they should have. And finally management by exception. So this principle requires the organization structure should be at the design and the manager is required to go through the structure and they should start their work. And next is the Scalar Principle. So according to this principle there must be clear lines of authority running from top to bottom. The authority all should be running very correctly. So the factors, let us know about the factors deriving the effective span. So effective span factors. So the factors, let us know about the first factor, that is the subordinate training. So the people of that company should be given a good training. They should be given the subordinate a good training so that they may go ahead with their work and they may do their work successfully. And clarity of delegation of authority. Clarity of delegation of authority. Although the training enables managers to reduce the frequency and extensiveness of time, the main cause of heavy burden of relations is to be found in lack of authority and lack of clarity of their decision. So a manager who clearly delegates authority to undertake well-defined tasks, manager should give them information which these tasks you should take. And clarity of plan, so the manager should give the clarity to their employees what plan they had and how to do execute that plan they are thinking. And use of objective standards. So use of objective standards, so a manager must find out whether his subordinates are following the plans they are using things were correctly or not. He should find out. So next, after use of objective standard, rate of change. So certain enterprises change much more rapidly than others, so the rate of change is important for them. And next is communication technique. So the communication technique is more important. Without communication they cannot say what they are doing. So communication, how they do and how they explain, is the most important thing. Next is amount of personal contact, needs and other factors. Amount of personal contact and other factors. So how many company amount of personal contact, how many contacts are there have personal contact, and how they may help in the things of growth of company, and what all the contacts they have. Next, line and staff authority relationship. So line and staff authority relationship. Line and staff authority relationship. So line relationship. The first one is line organization. So line organization, an organization in a structure of constituting of a line personnel, like CA, it is planning is contacting to B, next C, next D, like this the line will be there. They will be contacting to each other, and what are the advantage of this line organization? So first let us know what the advantage. So advantages of this line is, it is simple to work. The line authority, it is simple to work for them. And also next is, it is economical and effective. So it is economical and the line authority is effective line organizing this. And also it makes for unity of command, so there will be unity of command in between the authorities. And it conducive to effective control, so there will be effective control. Next, some disadvantages of this organization. Disadvantage of this line organization is, the system is not workable. It does not work in large scale organization. Large organizations, it works only in small organization. In large organization, this idea does not work. And also the next is, it suffer from lack of specialization. So there will be no lack of specialization. So it does not provide benefit for expert. It does not provide the benefits of expert advice. So expert advice benefit it does not give. So, and the responsibility is on shoulder. Responsibility is on shoulders. Manager is on shoulder of manager, and if he does something wrong, then the problem may happen more. Next, so after line organization, next is staff organizing. Line and staff organizing. So line and staff organizing, in line it will be line and staff also, there will be staff organizing. So line and staff organization, so A will be there, he will go to the staff B, there, from there, after he goes to the staff B, then he comes back, the staff B also comes back to C, and then again he goes to D, like that it will be going on. So advantages of this is, advantages of line staff organization is, line manager get the benefits, so the managers get the benefits from this. So staffs have relief messengers, have the messengers, and also staff specialized helps in the line executing and other things. Next, or disadvantage is, So the disadvantages of this line staff organizing is there is generally conflict between the line and staff. So there will be conflict between the line and staff, and also because staff personnel are not accountable to results, they may not perform their duties. So staffs may not perform their duty. Next is functional organization. So now you learned line organization, line and staff organization. Third one is functional organization. So in this, functional organization will be like this: A, B, C. They all will be connecting to D. So like this, the functional organization will be there. So okay friends, here it is enough. I'll explain the other topics of this chapter in my next video. So till here you have understand, I think so. So okay friends, bye, so take care. I will see you next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye my dear friends.